Good evening. I'm meteorologist Chita Craft. Now, we are tracking a squall line, a line of showers and thunderstorms approaching our area. I still think it's mainly going to be midnight and just after, but some of these thunderstorms, even before, will be capable of producing strong to severe weather. Now, the yellow is indicating our new severe thunderstorm watch. Now, I've lifted that from the radar just so you can really get a good look of where it's currently actively raining. So notice in Brazoria County, right over Alvin. Otherwise, we're getting a nice little break right now. Where we're starting to see these thunderstorms really bubble up is closer into Bryan, College Station, notice Snook, there's Caldwell, and this is where a flash flood warning has been issued from the National Weather Service because of how fast their rainfall rates are right now. This is the cold front. The thing is it is a slow mover at this point. So even though this is already approaching some of our north and west counties, typically if we would see this move a little bit faster, I'd be like, okay, heads up, this is moving our way. I still think this is going to mainly be in our overnight hours. So what I'm expecting as far as our weather impact alert, it's issued now through 5 a.m. tomorrow morning. So that does lead you into your Christmas morning forecast. The main impact will be some strong gusty winds, the potential of hail, and even an isolated tornado. So what you really need to do, stay close to the forecast and stay inside. If you can, bring anything between now and the next hour or so inside, or secure it safely down that's maybe outside in your home that could start to blow around with some gusty winds or potential rotation. Keep that in mind, especially for the overnight hours. A lot of you will be sleeping. Some of you though may be heading to a midnight mass. If you are out and about for those overnight hours, keep your guard up. A quick high water spot is not out of the question. So the timing of this front, 9 to 11 p.m., I think for our northwest counties, that's expected to happen pretty soon. That's what's going on right now. And then midnight to 3 a.m., right through the heart of Harris County, Montgomery County, I think Fort Bend County, and then really pushing offshore by about 5 to 6 a.m. Take a look at our future tracks. I'm going to get you into 10 o'clock this evening. Notice the thunderstorms that are impacting closer into Bryan, College Station. Then as we get into about 1 a.m., this is when we're expecting the line of showers and thunderstorms to roll across a big part of the area. Notice could linger through maybe 2, 3 a.m., and then it's really starting to push closer into our coastal areas, and then maybe offshore by 5, 6 o'clock in the morning. Most of the rain is out of here by 7 a.m. Now, our severe weather threat tonight and into early tomorrow, notice how they've expanded the level 2. That has dramatically changed from yesterday. So this is brand new information for you from the Storm Prediction Center. Instead of us saying, hey, this is a level 1, a marginal risk for severe weather, now we're up to a level 2. This is when we're expecting hail, some wind gusts, an isolated tornado very possible, and some of even the rain accumulation will be between a quick 1 to 3 inches of rain. Back to the hail threat, this is also intensified. Yesterday we were looking at about a 5% chance for hail within these storms, and now it's at a 30% chance, and that's also been expanded through Harris County, Fort Bend County, and the northernmost portion there of Brazoria County. So again, the severe weather threat has increased over the past 24 hours. When is the best chance that you could see some of that severe weather? I would say really between about 1 a.m. to 4 a.m. this morning. Most of that should be tapering off, pushing closer into the coastal areas by 5, but it's those overnight hours, those early morning Christmas hours, that's when you're going to see the best chance for those thunderstorms. And then by the afternoon, hello 70s, partly cloudy skies. It's actually going to be really nice Christmas afternoon. So once we get these thunderstorms out of here early tomorrow, that's when we see some significant clearing. Now, right when we see clearing and you think that's it for the rain, no, I want you to pay attention. Thursday into Friday, we have another system moving out of the Pacific, and that's going to be bringing area-wide rain closer into Thursday afternoon and potentially lingering even through Friday. So we get a little bit of a break Christmas afternoon, and then that's it. The rain returns by Thursday and Friday. Take a good look at your 7-day forecast. I know there's a lot of activity on this, right? Tomorrow morning, you still wake up to some lingering showers. Depends on when you wake up. I think some of our late nighters, maybe you sleep in to 8 or 9 o'clock, you're going to miss most of it. But if you typically wake up 5, 6, maybe even 7 a.m., we could still be looking at a few lingering showers. Then it really clears for the back half of the day. It is Thursday afternoon, rain returns. That carries you into Friday as well. I think maybe an isolated shower Saturday morning, but then finally that is it. check out those 70s. Those 70s, though, want to linger even through the weekend and into early next week. I'm going to be monitoring the radar very carefully through the rest of the evening, and of course, more updates to come.